Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace mass airflow sensor on Mazda CX-7, also known as MAF sensor. Okay, on this one right here, 2.3 engine guys, turbo. Okay, that's where it is located, so stay with us, we're gonna demonstrate how to remove and replace it now. So, if you have a code that relates to it, we will recommend using factory, okay, original MAF sensor. So if you want to go ahead and remove this one, you need to press down here, okay, and pull towards the back, okay, to disconnect the wires. And now you need a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws. It's pretty simple procedure, not very complicated at all. It takes you less than 5 minutes to do it yourself guys, and save you quite a bit of money for something so simple. Okay, once you remove the screws, you just go ahead, grab it, and you pull straight up. Okay, and that's the MAF sensor right here. You can see some people try to clean those. Okay, that's where it is, the little sensor. So we have one from a parts car right here that we're using, another CX-7. So when you're ready to install it, you just grab it, okay, push it where it's supposed to be, make sure it seals good, and you need to install the 2 screws now. So just go ahead, get those tight, and don't forget to connect the wire after that. And if you have a code for a bad MAF sensor, go ahead and reset it, so that way it won't be in the computer. And bad MAF sensor will give you really bad gas mileage too, so with a new one you should be really good, getting really good gas mileage. So that's the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.